Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on the Las Vegas Strip, headed to the Strip's newest resort called Resorts World. It's home to amazing amenities, restaurants, and entertainment like the fabulous Katy Perry. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. The Resorts World Theater is a 5,000 capacity concert and entertainment venue. Here are some of the upcoming performers who have residencies. Resorts World is the Las Vegas Strip's first ground-up resort in more than a decade. It isn't exactly brand new. It opened last summer in June. I was here for the grand opening. It was indeed a grand opening, complete with fireworks. Paris Hilton and Steve Aoki were just some of the celebrities that were here for the opening event. Doghouse Saloon is just one of 40 food and beverage experiences at the resort. Later, I'm going to check out Caviar Bar. Let's first walk around the casino floor and check out what's happening. Isn't it beautiful? There's something about a shiny new casino that's so exciting. Their casino floor features over 117,000 square feet of gaming. To put that in perspective, that's the size of over 2 football fields. On the casino floor, you'll find 1,400 slot machines, 117 table games, a poker room, and sportsbook. If you like what you're watching, please support me by liking my video and subscribing to my channel. Let's head over to Famous Foods Street Eats. The place is inspired by East and Southeast Asia street markets, specifically Singapore hawker centers. There are 17 different establishments in Famous Foods. Here is a list of them. Because I'm Filipino, I was excited to see Pepita's Kitchen here. It's the only Filipino restaurant on the Strip. Steve Aoki was here during the opening because he owns a restaurant here called Kuru Kuru. I think this is the perfect time to try one of their restaurant bars. Let's head over to Caviar Bar. As far as pricing, Caviar Bar is on the higher end. If I can get my mouth on it. That's good. Let me know what you think. I'm with Melanie, so say hi, Melanie. Hi, you guys. We just tried that caviar. Very good. Very good. We like it. Hey guys, we're gonna try the hamachi. And that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the color. It's delicious. Look how big they are. There we go. There's a sauce to it. It's like a cocktail sauce. So, dip it in there. That's good, it tastes really fresh. Okay, you guys, here is our main course. This is the nochi. The nochi. Here's the nochi. It's got truffle. It smells beautiful because I love truffle. And here is the spaghetti. So it actually looks like spaghetti, but it's got caviar on top. Sorry, what are you gonna try? We're
try the nochi first. This has truffle in it. I love truffle, so. Oh, it's really good. It is good. And it's got just a really light touch of truffle. It is really good, actually.
Oh gosh, it's so delicious, you guys.
It's so good. I love it. I do too. Let's try the other one. So, then we also have a spaghetti with caviar. We're gonna try that one. We're going full on pasta today. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take a big bite with caviar. See how this is.
Thumbs up.
I can definitely taste the difference.
Yes, definitely.
That is so good. Melanisa and I are on dessert. This is our decadent chocolate cake, and we're gonna break into it. So I think we should just cut it. What do you guys think? Let me have this. All right. I'm gonna cut it right down the middle. And show you guys. Look at those layers, man.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
That looks beautiful. You guys look at that. Hey guys, we are about to have our dessert. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Give you a quick look again. Here it is. Get some food on the side. All right, let's take our bite. Really?
It's to die for.
To die for. So here we go.
Rich,
Oh my god, that is
moist.
so decadent. Oh yes. With the fruit on the side. Guys, it's delicious. Look at those layers. It is good. Is that like a...
Oh my gosh, I can't. It's so good.
We're gonna definitely finish this, you guys. Usually we just take a bite of dessert, but I think we're gonna finish it today, don't you?
Oh, definitely.
Alright, guys.
Before we leave, let's check out a few more things like this giant 50-foot tall globe. It's an immersive experience containing lights and music and changes every so often. Resorts World also has a 100,000 square foot LED screen outside of the building. It's one of the largest in the world. Zouk Nightclub is one of the most popular in the city. It's home to some of the world's top artists. It has a dance floor that's over 1,000 square feet with incredible lighting from an LED piece called Mothership. The pool area is a 5.5-acre elevated pool complex with 7 unique pool experiences, including a 1,800 square foot infinity pool with spectacular views of the Strip. Well, it's time to head home. Thanks again for hanging out with me. Until the next video, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.